Look at the screen and listen carefully. If you can understand this sentence, your English is already working. Before 2026 ends, you still have time to restart your life step by step by learning to speak English confidently. Hello and welcome. I am very glad you are here today. This video is not fast. This video is not difficult. This video is designed for you, an English learner who wants real progress. In this lesson, you will learn English in a calm and clear way. Practice spoken English naturally. Improve English speaking without pressure. Build confidence, not fear. This is a graded reader style lesson, which means simple vocabulary, short sentences, clear meaning, real-life English. You do not need to pause every second. You do not need to write everything down. Just listen, repeat, and stay with me. Let us begin your restart. Part 1. Restarting your life starts with one honest truth. Many people think restarting life means doing something big. They think they need more money, more time, more education. But the real problem is not lack of resources. The real problem is delay. People delay change. They say, "I will start next year. I am too busy now. My English is too weak." Let me tell you something important. Your English does not need to be strong to start. Your English becomes strong because you start. English is not only a subject, English is a skill, and every skill improves with use. Say this sentence with me, slowly and clearly. I can improve my English step by step. Say it again. Good. That is the mindset you need. Part 2. Why English can change your life. Let us talk honestly. Why do people want to learn English? Because English helps you communicate with the world, access better information, grow professionally, feel confident in public. When you improve spoken English, something changes inside you. You stop feeling shy. You stop avoiding conversations. You start expressing ideas. Even simple ideas matter. For example, I agree with you. I have a different opinion. Let me explain. These are powerful sentences. Repeat after me. I can express my ideas in English. Excellent. Part 4. Graded reader story. A simple life change. Now listen to a short story. The English is easy. The message is strong. Story. 1 year can change everything. My name is Daniel. I live in a small city. For many years, I avoided English. In school, English was difficult for me. I was afraid of making mistakes. When teachers asked questions, I stayed silent. After school, life became busy. Work, family, stress. English disappeared from my life. One day, I watched a video online. The speaker said, "Your future depends on what you do daily." That sentence stayed in my mind. I asked myself, what if I practice English a little every day? I did not plan too much. I did not buy expensive courses. I started with simple videos, slow speaking, daily repetition. Every day I spoke English for 10 to 20 minutes. At first it was uncomfortable. My pronunciation was bad. My sentences were simple. But after 3 months, something changed. I could speak without fear. After 6 months, I could explain ideas. After 1 year, I felt like a new person. Not perfect, but confident. Now, stop for a moment. Say this sentence out loud. 1 year of practice can change my life. Good. Keep going. Part 4. How to learn English the right way. Simple method. Many learners fail because they follow the wrong method. They memorize too many words, focus only on grammar, never speak. Let us fix this. Step 1. Listen first. Listening builds understanding. Listen to simple English, slow speakers, clear pronunciation. You are doing this right now. Your brain is learning patterns. Do not rush. Step 2. Repeat out loud. When you repeat, your mouth learns. Your confidence grows. Repeat this sentence. I practice spoken English every day. Again. Good. Step 3. Use simple sentences daily. Do not try to speak like a native speaker. Speak like you. Simple sentences are powerful. For example, I am tired today. I am learning something new. I want to improve. Say them. This is real English speaking practice. Part 5. Speak with me. Guided practice. Now we practice together. Please speak, even if you feel shy. Practice 1. Talking about today. Say, today I am watching an English lesson. I am learning calmly. I am focused. Say it again. Practice 2. Talking about the future. Say, before 2026 ends, I want to speak English confidently. I will practice regularly. I believe in myself. Excellent. Practice 3. Expressing feelings. Say, sometimes I feel nervous, but I do not give up. I continue learning. Very good. Part 6. Common mistakes English learners make. Let us talk about mistakes. Not grammar mistakes, learning mistakes. Mistake 1. Waiting to be perfect. Perfection is not required. Progress is. Speak now, improve later. Mistake 2. Learning without speaking. If you don't speak, fluency will not come. Reading and listening help, but speaking creates confidence.
Mistake 3. Practicing only when motivated. Motivation is temporary. Habit is permanent. Even 10 minutes daily is enough. Say, I build habits, not excuses. Good. Part 7. Thinking in English, a powerful skill. Thinking in English is simple. You start with daily thoughts. For example, I am drinking water. I am walking. I am working. Say these sentences in your mind during the day. Slowly, English becomes natural. Part 8. A second graded story. Quiet confidence. Listen carefully. Story. Quiet confidence. Maria was not loud. She was not confident. In meetings, she stayed quiet. She understood English, but she did not speak. One day, she decided to change one thing. She started speaking English alone at home. She described her day. She talked to the mirror. She recorded her voice. No one was watching. No one was judging. After months, her voice changed. It became steady. It became calm. When she spoke in public again, people listened. Confidence came quietly. Say this sentence. Confidence grows with practice. Good. Part 9. Daily English routine. Simple and effective. Here's a simple routine you can follow. Morning. Say 3 English sentences about your day. Afternoon. Listen to short English content. Evening. Speak for 10 minutes. Repeat sentences. Read aloud. This routine improves English speaking naturally. Part 10. Reading aloud for fluency. Read with me. I choose progress over fear. I choose practice over excuses. I speak English calmly and clearly. Every day I improve. I trust the process. Now read it yourself. Excellent. Part 11. Restarting your identity through English. When you speak English confidently, you feel different. You stand differently. You think differently. You act differently. English gives you a stronger voice, a global mindset, self-respect. This is not about accent. This is about confidence. Part 12. Final speaking practice. Say it with power. Say each sentence clearly. I am an English learner. I am improving my spoken English. I practice every day. I speak English confidently. I am building my future. Very good. Part 13. Calm motivation before the end. You do not need to rush. You do not need to compare. You only need to continue. Before 2026 ends, your English can be clearer, stronger, confident, but only if you stay consistent. One video, one lesson, one day at a time. If this lesson helped you, make English a daily habit. Watch similar lessons. Practice with your voice. Remember, learn English calmly. Practice spoken English daily. Improve English speaking step by step. Speak English confidently in your own way. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.